Now we will learn to tell the difference between positive work and negative work. In the first example, a box is being pushed along a certain distance. Now the direction is to the right, and also the direction of the force done by my hands on the box is also to the right. This is classified as positive work. In the second example, this man is trying to lower a box. Obviously, the box is going downwards, but think about the force done by the hands of this man on the box. This force, its direction is upwards. So because they're in opposite direction, we say this work is negative. Simply put, work done is positive whenever force and motion, their direction is the same. And work done is negative whenever they are in opposite direction. Now let's calculate how to find work. I have the triangle right here. Work, force, distance. It's clear that work is equals force multiplied by the distance. In the question, they're asking how much work does a student do while pulling his bag for 10 meters with a pulling force of 20 newtons. I have 20 newtons from the unit I know it's force. I have 10 meters from the unit also I know that it's distance. Now it's easy. I can simply put the numbers into the equation. Work equals force times distance. The force is 20. The distance is 10. We get 200 Newton meters, or the unit is called joules after the name of the scientist. Easy. Now, there are many things that seem like work but are not. Do you think it is work to hold a ball over your head and just freeze for a few minutes? Is this considered work? Remember that a force must be applied over a distance in order to say it's work. So this man, when he's holding the box, when he's holding the ball over his head for 2 minutes, he is not doing any work.